Hi students, let's just go ahead and go over the integumentary homework. You did very well. I just want to point out a few things. Let's start with number one. The biggest thing here is your modifier. This tells us what finger that the physician did the nail bed surgery on. Number two, 11302, that was very good, and so is number three. Number four, let's talk about that. A few of you had a couple codes. Keep in mind when we do repairs, a couple of different things. If the repair is simple and they're in the same area, then you add them together. So 6.0. Now let's just, another example, let's say that we had a simple closure on the face and then we had one on the arm. Okay, since they're different areas of the body, then we're going to have two repair codes. Or if one was simple and one was intermediate, we are going to have two repair codes. So kind of go back over the rules on repair codes for that. And number 5 look good. So let's go with 11.2. Number 1 was pretty good. Keep in mind that this is a type of benign lesion. 2 looked good. 3. Okay, a couple of different things. When we do an adjacent tissue transfer or any type of flap, okay, these codes include the excision of the lesion. So that means you do not code an excision code and the flap code. You only code one. Okay, this one here, we have the ulcer codes. So we have two CPT codes. The first one here is for the excision of the ulcer, including the osteectomy. And then we have a code 15738. This is assigned for the muscle flap closure of the surgical defect. So make sure you take a look at these both in your CPT code or CPT book. One thing to remember, the CPT book is very, very self-explanatory if you read the notes before the section. Talk to a few students this morning. Make sure you start off with the index. And then with that, you get to your range of codes and make sure you read through them. Always read through the problems themselves because there's, especially in the musculoskeletal system, there's going to be more information there than just what your surgical procedure reads. Number 5 was pretty good. The biggest thing here is the -50 for bilateral. And then here are the case codes. Actually, everyone did good. Just take close or pay attention to the different modifiers. And if you have any questions on them, please contact me.